Hello friends, today we will be talking on correlation regression, correlation versus regression. It is an important topic in statistics, data science, econometrics, machine learning, and it's important from the exams viewpoint. It's an important topic for the exams too. There will be a number of questions from correlation versus regression. So let us start with a bivariate setup. So we have a variable x and a variable y, and we have several data points. Say we have several data points from 1 to n. So we can draw a scatter plot. It's a bivariate distribution, so we can draw a scatter plot. So we have x-axis and the y-axis, and each data point is constitute a point on the xy plane. Correlation is a measure of the linear association between the two variates. So when we talk about the correlation, the formula is given by R equal to summation xi minus x bar into yi minus y bar by root over summation xi minus x bar whole square times summation yi minus y bar whole square. All are sum over I equal to 1 to n. It's a sort of covariance. Summation xi minus x bar into yi minus y bar is the covariance of xi by root over variance of x into variance of y. It is easy to see that value of r always lie between -1 to +1, because this r is nothing but inner product of xi, inner product of x minus x bar and x minus x bar and y minus y bar, inner product of x minus x bar by y minus y bar by norm, which is the Euclidean norm, root over summation ai square, norm of xi minus x bar times norm of yi minus y bar. So this is a sort of cos of the angle theta, where theta is between the angle between x minus x bar and y minus y bar. And since this is cos theta, this value is, the value of r is between -1 and +1. So if r equal to 1, if we look at the case r equal to 1, if we look at the case r equal to 1, then that is the data lie on a straight line with positive slope. So this is the case when R is maximum, R equal to 1. And when we look at R equal to minus 1, it is the opposite. The slope is negative and the data lie on a straight line. This is the case when R equal to minus 1. And for R equal to 0, there is no relationship between x and y. That is the case of R equal to 0. When one variable increase, the other variable doesn't increase or decrease. So this is the case R equal to 0. See, so and R is symmetric. R between correlation coefficient between x and y is same as correlation coefficient between y and x. R x y is equal to R y y x. For regression, we again have a bivariate setup. This correlation coefficient calculation need not be bivariate. It could be multivariate also. Then the partial correlation, etc., comes in. I am not going into it. For now, let me talk about regression. So we have two variates x and y, and we have several data points. I want to have an idea of y when the value of x is given. Okay, so we plan to fit a straight line between, we plan to estimate a straight line between y and x. So the equation becomes, oops, equation becomes a linear equation between y and x. We can write as y is equal to a plus b plus bx. Okay, so how do you find a, given the data set 1 to n of x and y pairs, how do we find a and b? So the idea is to consider the errors. The ith error, ei, is given by yi minus a minus bxi, and we look at the function of ab, if ab as summation ei square, the square of the errors, sum over I ei square, which is sum over I yi minus a minus bxi whole square. So given the values of x and y, we need to find a and b such that if a b is minimized, the squared error loss is minimized. That is the way to find the values of a and b. That's called model training. So we need to minimize if a b over a and b. So the usual practice of finding maxima minima is set the partial derivatives to 0. It's a bivariate function. It's a function of both a and b. So we set del f del a equal to 0, giving me the function y bar equal to a plus b x bar, and del f del b equal to 0, setting we can find out the value of b, which is summation xi minus x bar into yi xi minus x bar into yi minus y bar divided by summation xi minus x bar whole square, sum over I. If you look closely at it, you will see that this is nothing but r into the variance, the standard deviation of y by standard deviation of x. So this is the relation between the correlation coefficient and the regression coefficient. B stands for 1 unit increase of x produces b unit increase in y. If b is positive and it is negative, then y goes down as x increases. So this is the way we train the machine learning model. From the data we estimate the parameters a and b, and this we know as regression line. I'll stop here. Thank you.